My name is Miklos Görög. It's a Mickey shorter version, and I make art and music festivals in Hungary. Yes, Sebastian is a super cool guy. I'm really glad that I could meet him. His collective contacted me because of they were looking for locations for a festival, and I make festivals in Hungary, so they contacted me, and I met through them with Basti. It's a really good question, thank you. I always use this question as a tool in conversations. My superpower, for sure, it would be super jumping. It's like jumping really, really big. For some reason, I had it in my dreams when I was younger, and I still believe that I would really enjoy huge jumps. The mentality, like somehow I would make the people a bit more open, and like in the countryside it's really tricky for them. I think they experience a lot from the world around them through media. The media is maybe almost everywhere. It's not really telling nice things, or start to make them feel afraid of other people and so on, and that is a really unhealthy mentality, I think, and I would like to change that and maybe open the people's heart or eyes. I'm really proud of the people around me. Like in Budapest we have a really big collective, around 200 people. It's a big group of friends, all kind of super amazing human beings around me, and I'm really, really glad to have them. So I really love carrots as well, but beetroots, it was not a really good friend of mine for a long time, and now I'm just really into it.
Ah.
And also I'm really into the color of it. It's like
Yeah.
it has a big effect.